Finally, OpenAI has introduced AI agents feature in ChatGPT, which they call it as Operator. So I'll be explaining you what this feature can do. And before that, I'll be explaining you what is an AI agent in simple words for those who don't know. So till now, we are using chatbots like ChatGPT where we will ask questions and we'll be getting an answer with the help of AI. So this entire process doesn't go outside this particular website. It stays within ChatGPT and just an API call is made. But what AI agents can do is they can work outside the websites, scrap web pages and get or perform tasks whatever we give. For example, let's say I want to buy a phone in Amazon.com. I'll just go to this Amazon website, search for a phone and get the phone. But if you're having an AI agent, you can just give instructions to it and say, hey, I want to get a phone within this price, and that agent will automatically go to Amazon, put the search query as phone and select the phone and ask you if you want to buy that phone. So it basically performs a task on your behalf. Another example would be, let's say you are searching for a job, and if you just go and ask your agent like find me a job in LinkedIn, that agent would go and scrap all the jobs for that particular role and then automatically apply. So these agents have the capability of performing any task in different websites or different sources of data. So this feature has been launched by ChatGPT now, and currently it is only available for the pro users in United States, and they said that they will be subsequently rolling this feature to the global plus users also. So now let's see what this operator does. So currently this is the interface how operator looks. We are having travel, shopping, local services, delivery, and we're also having the DoorDash, the Uber, some sites like that. So in case if you want to go to a hotel, like booking a reservation in that hotel, you can just type that in ChatGPT and this AI agent will go and book the restaurant for you. So let's see how this works. So as usual, here we will be having the search area where you can ask anything which is related to reserving or booking. For example, in the demo video they showed book me a table in this particular hotel at 7 p.m. and you can even give custom instructions for each website. For example, this is my address, this is my location, so that these AI agents can access our own personal information and get the booking done for us. So OpenTable is nothing but an online restaurant site which helps us to get reservations for that particular restaurant. So we need to select that website and just write this prompt. And what happens here is that it then just creates a virtual browser inside ChatGPT itself. And after that, the OpenTable website appears here and it automatically performs searches, for example, San Francisco, the hotel name, as well as it does the reservation, and each and every step is visible over here. For example, first it accesses the OpenTable website via URL, then it searches for the restaurant, then it selects the location, the address, and then it selects the time slot. So all these things will be appearing visually, like it will be like a ghost basically operating, typing and clicking on a website. So if it cannot find that particular reservation at 7 p.m, it will ask you if you want to get a reservation at 7:45 p.m. So that's really amazing. And another feature is the take control feature. For example, you are ordering some groceries and you are feeling that this agent has added a particular food item extra, or what if you wanted to add another item which you haven't mentioned in the prompt. You can just click on this take control and you can interfere in that process. And after that, you can just click on resume. So you can even intervene if you want any changes in the way AI agent works. So it's like a mix of you and AI in that particular process. And yeah, this is how it looks. It says you have control, which means that we are working on that booking. And you can even give a feedback so that operator knows if you have done any changes and make it more smooth. So this is also another example like where this AI agent tries to book a ticket of a basketball game. So this feature is super cool and really excited to see what this is going to do in the future, and can't wait to access it. And please let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in AI, ChatGPT, Sora and other programming stuff. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.